We just published an article as a tale from a former Pentagon advisor who says we may be sleepwalking into a war with Venezuela. If that happens, where does that leave Cuba? Does Cuba get involved on the side of Venezuela? Does it try and stay out and stay neutral?
Cuba will give its full political support. If the U.S. goes to war with any country in Latin America,
political support.
It is the duty of
You chose your words carefully. Political support. You will not get involved militarily to support Venezuela.
That's a very dangerous question to ask. No, we're not going to war with you.
No, I didn't say you were going to war. But if the U.S. goes to war with Venezuela,
we'll give our full support to Venezuela.
Okay.
Basically, political is solidarity.